It's bonfire night. Just waiting for Pete to come home. And we're going to have fireworks and a fire and hot dogs. This is what we're going to bought for tonight. So when I went to Asda, I got some fireworks. This one and that one was £6 each or two for a tenner, and that box over there was £10. You remember what these fireworks are like? I do. You pay your money, you look at it and you go, is that it? So tonight we're going to see exactly if they've improved them and what they're like. So you've got your basic, what are they? Crackling shots. Ooh. How bizarre. Oh. Amethyst. I've got a friend called Amethyst. And then we got that one, Enchanted Fountain, which is, it says it's a, can't see it, an 8-minute. So when Pete gets home, we're going to have a drink, have a brew, get ready, and have bonfire night. Oh, I'll show you what I've done so far. So, you have to ignore the state of the place outside. Right. So for bonfire night, let's focus. Got the little fire. Got the bucket in case we've got anything we need to stick in a bucket, which I'll probably bring nearer. I've moved the seating. And we've got wood with pumpkins over the roof. We'll put candles out. It's going to look cool. Now, wait for... to the shower. They're going to show me fire and me candles. It's getting a bit windy, so I reckon we'll probably go out soon. Have a safe bonfire night. We sat here.
Oh, it's come back
Well,
again.
it will do.
Yeah, it's come back after
Yeah, but it's night time.
Hiya.
Right, we're sat here
Bonfire night.
having a cider.
We're not having a brew, so it's cider and bands tonight. Cheers. She never cheers, isn't it? What's me on?
We're going to... What are we doing now? We're going to have something to eat, have some hot dogs.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to have some fireworks.
Yeah.
Do you
Have
have
a chill bonfire night. I'm warm. Yeah, I'm happy. It's all good. It's all good. Thank Crunchy it's Friday tomorrow. Yes.
Yeah.
Jobs are good. Yeah, it's all good.
We're going to do our first firework of the evening. And they're the tiniest ones we've kind of got over there. They're okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. What's in the last one?
They're quite similar, but they're cool. That was...
Yeah, very
Oh.
cool. Oh. Oh, that's got some juice in it.
Oh, the smell.
That's the wood. It's a blue in the wood. Sting. That's cool.
I'm enjoying the fireworks. They're not as bad as what they used to be, I've got to say. Not bad stuff. Oh. Is that it? That was shite. Oh, my little lights are twinkling. Hey. Oh, we've got another.
Sparkle fountain.
To be honest, they're alright, but they all look the same. Even though they're just called different things. We've got sparklers. Fire.
Looks like some of Hogwarts. Like the dolphins.
Are you enjoying yourself? Take you back to being a little kid with sparklers. You used to write your name and all kinds. Oh, he's a happy bunny. Fire's still doing well.
Yeah, indoor fireworks, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's better.
that's cool.
It's different.
Alright. Look at the flames coming off there. It's awesome, isn't it?
Right, so this is one of the bigger ones. Oh, that's different. Right, you might not be able to see it, but it is different. It's
Alright.
very different. It's cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah, same as last one. Right, this is the last one before we got the one that's lasts for 6 minutes. And I bet this is the same as the rest.
There's a pinata box through
Alright, so it's different colours. You can't actually see it, I don't think, on here, but yeah, it's actually different colours. That's lovely.
That was just the same as the other. Bigger fireworks.
But in your opinion, compared to what they used to be like in the box, they are better, aren't they?
Standard fireworks is a bit in boxes.
Alright, so fair enough, they had Catherine wheels and stuff in them, but
They were all the same. No, that's no detriment to you, but every single one of them fireworks was the same. Some were bigger than the others. You know, we've had some fireworks this good and we were a bit late prepared. It's so dear, man.
yeah, so we're going to go, we've got one big one to watch, and then that's it, then we're done, fireworks wise. But we're still having a fire. Okay, Enchanted. 6-minute firework display. Well, yeah, if it don't go right, we can reframe it and get money. Yeah, go on. Or fountains.
We can take it out. We really need to stop spending time on this one.
I know.
They've had a share of fountains.
Kind of.
Oh, the other side now. That's a blue fountain.
Oh.
I like that. That's the one I like. Don't forget that as well.
I'm not sure if it's actually showing up, but there was like blue bits coming out of it. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, really nice. Now we're going to set fire to the other fence. Oh, look at all the smoke.
Oh, and that's pink.
We'll just put one on back at transit with go faster.
Maybe.
No, I think.
Oh, a bit of turbo.
I like that. Cool. See, we're a bit closer. Hey, that's lighting up well, isn't it? Huh? That's cool. That was definitely not 6 minutes of pure pleasure.
It wasn't. It was 2 minutes,
And a
24, and a sigh. But that was kind of cool.
That was good with that, yeah.
Yeah. Once it said 6 meters, you have to be away from it, not 6 minutes.
Have you read it wrong?
Oh, that was fun.
So we're expecting 6 minutes of pure pleasure and it'll actually be 6 metres away.
Yeah, and we're 6 meters away.
I
No.
don't even think we were social distancing away. Got a bit leery towards the end.
Right, tonight.
Right. I've just burnt my fingers, so I'm trying not to swear. It's been a good night. I've had 4 hot dogs with onions and mustard and ketchup, and I'm full as a fireworks. Got some good fireworks, although they've been very fountainy orientated. Some small going up in size, but still very fountainy, not much. No, it's really good.
And the 6 minute display turned out to be 6 meters.
See the fireworks, just have a quick one at 5 o'clock.
So I hope you all enjoyed
That's been a good night,
your bonfire night and you stayed safe and you
in all ways.
you've seen some fireworks and it's been nice.
It's just been a good night. It's probably the last time everyone's going to get together for a while. Just all stay safe, all wear us masks, all wash us hands, all that kind of rubbish. I know we've heard it a million times, but we really need to be all on us ball. So everybody, look after yourselves and have a good bonfire.
See you all again soon.
Bye.